Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss on important videos about forex trading. So today we are looking at how we can use the MetaTrader platform to trade. So MetaTrader platform is just an application that helps us to put in trades and come out of the forex market. So this application is very important in carrying out forex trading. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing we'll have to do is to come to our Play Store. You click there, then after that we look for an application called MetaTrader 4 or MT4. So after that, this is how it will be. But we also have MT5, but for this case I'm going to teach you how we can use the MetaTrader 4. So after installing it, we shall just open. I've already installed this app on this phone, so there's no need for me to do it again. So once I open, this is what I will see. These are the codes. So these are the currency pairs. We have Euro USD, GDP USD, USD Japanese Yen, and USD CAD, and so on and so on. So if we come to the next place here, this is where we see the charts. So this is where we can see the chart. So this is the chart for Euro USD, and when we come to the next icon here, you can see this is where we see our balance, equity, margin, and so on, plus our running trades. When we come to the fourth place, this is where we'll see our trade history, our profit made, and our loss. So these other remaining two are not that important. Yes. So if you can as well access the chart by just clicking here. So once you click on that currency pair, that means it brings for you two important options, whether to open a new order or to open chart. So we shall look at this later on as we proceed with the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, guys. So let's open the chart. So once you see, here is the chart, but we can customize this chart to our preference. So we can see here it is in black and white. So if we want to customize this chart, we shall come back here, up, we click there. Sorry guys, we shall click there. And by the way, this is a demo account, so you can see here it's a demo account. This is a demo account. Demo meaning it is just for you for demonstration, so you can practice. It is not real. So once we open there, we come to settings. We open settings, then we look for colors. You see colors here. Then after finding colors, we look for this bull candle. So this bull candle, it's the same as bullish candlestick. So we click there. It is in white, but me, I always like using blue for it, so I'll click on blue. So we have the bear candle. This is also bullish, so I can change it to red. So but you can change these colors depending on what you want. So after that, you click done. So then after clicking done, you just simply have to come and see how it appears. So as you can see, this is how our chart is. It is in red and blue. So the next thing we're going to look at this line here, this red line which you are seeing. It's an indicator which is called the moving average. This is also an indicator. It's called relative strength index, which is RSI. So what we do, we shall come to this F up here. We click on it. So once we click on it, you can clearly see. You can see you have the moving average, the relative strength index. So if you want to remove this, you just come. You first click on that icon there. Then you tick this. So once you tick it, then you come, you drop it there. So that means it has already gone. So if you come to our chart again, you can see the RSI indicator has been removed. So If we want to also remove this moving average, we just click there, we click there, click here, then we remove it. So we have removed both indicators. So now if we want to add, we just click on the F. Let me do this again. If you want to add, you click on the F, look for the indicator which you want. For this case, let us use the alligator. So we use the alligator. I'm not going to change the settings. Then after that, we click done. So this is our alligator indicator. So now, after installing this, if we want to add another indicator, we shall just come back to our F. Then we see this F plus, we click on it. Then after that, we look for another indicator we want. For example, let's look at this. Let me add this momentum. Yeah, let me add this one. This momentum. I'm not going to change the settings. Then let's click done. So this is our momentum indicator. You can clearly see it's our momentum indicator. So that is how we add indicators on the chart. So I'm going to remove them and we proceed with the video. So you can add indicators provided you know how to use them and depending on your choice. So the next thing we're going to look at are the time frames. So we have different time frames from the 1 minute and so until a month. So if you want to access the time frame, we shall just click here on, we shall just tap on the screen, anywhere on the screen. So once you tap anywhere on the screen, we can see this is M1, meaning 1 minute. So once you click there, we shall be able to see the candlesticks there, meaning every candlestick we are seeing here is 1 minute. So if you want to change the time frame, you just have to click again back. Then you can click on the M5, which is 5 minutes, meaning every candlestick is 5 minutes. So this is daily time frame. So meaning every candlestick we are seeing is 1 day. Each of these candlesticks, this is 1 day, this is 1 day, this is 1 day, this is 1 day, this is also 1 day. Every candlestick we are seeing is 1 day. So these are what we call time frames. So these are different time frames. This is the H1 meaning the 1 hour time frame. You can as well see a time frame from here. So we can see Euro USD. This is the currency pair we are trading. So we can see this is H1, meaning we're on the 1 hour time frame. So let us come back here. Let's look at some important aspect also, which is adding currency pair. So if you want to add or remove a currency pair, we shall just we come to this plus icon here, then we come to forex. So these are the different currency pairs that we have. So for example, let's add Euro GDP. We click on Euro GDP. Then let's add Euro JPY. We click on Euro JPY. Then we go back. So once we go back, you can see here we have our currency pairs already added. Euro GDP, then Euro JPY, which is here. Euro GDP is here, Euro JPY is there. So if we want to remove them, we shall just come to this pencil tool. We click on the pencil tool. Again, we click here at this icon. Then we select the currency pairs we want to remove. Let's remove these ones. So after ticking them like that, then we also come back here, then we remove them. We can go back and see them. So as you can see, the currency pairs have reduced. So that is how we remove the currency pairs. So let us look at now our next step, which is how to take the trade. So after you analyzing a given trade and you want to take a trade, so what you do is you will come and click on this plus icon here. You click there. So once you click there, it will bring for you this option here. There's also another way of doing that. For example, once you are here on these currency pairs, you can just click here. Then you say new order. So once you click on new order, it brings for you the same display. So here we have instant execution, meaning you're entering the market there and then. So these are this buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. These are orders. So you set them once price reaches a specific time. Once price reaches a specific target, the region you want it to reach, it will just enter the market automatically. Without the price reaching there, it won't put you in the forex market. So if you want to set a buy limit, you click on buy limit, then you put the price here where you want you want to enter the market. So you put the figures there, then you put your stop loss here. This red place is where we put stop loss. This green one is where we put our take profit. Then after that, you say place. Place, you can see I've not entered anything there, but if you let us for example, if I wanted to put let me just enter some figures. Sorry, let me just enter some figures here. You see, this is how it will be. So it will show itself when it is not faint but clear, so you can easily place. So let's place it. So I've not put my stop loss and take profit, so that's why it is doing this, but still that is the procedure. That is how we can do it. So let's open our chart. Let's open our order. Let's come back here. So after that, then this is where we have our lot sizes. So this is the standard lot size of 1. So I can change my lot size here. I can use 0.5 this or 0.02 depending on what I want to use. I put them there. So let's use an example of 0.5. So then after that I'll enter the market. But remember, this is where we put our stop loss and our take profit. So let us buy this market. Let's buy Euro USD. So I click on buy. If I want to sell, I'll sell. So the order is open. So this is it. So meaning I am in profit. So once you enter for a buy and you have analyzed the market well, because I had analyzed this Euro USD, so that's why I have entered for a buy. So after you analyzing, this is how it will happen. But you have to make sure you analyze the market, because if you don't analyze the market, you won't be knowing what you're doing. So you only enter the market when you know where the market is going. So after opening that, I can then come to the chart. Okay, if I want to access the chart here easily, I'll just have to swipe. Sorry about that. I'll just have to swipe sideways. Then, as you can see here, we have this tick button, we have this pencil tool, we have this. This, if we click on this, we get access to the chart. So if we click on this pencil tool, it will bring us here where we have to put our stop loss or take profit. If we click on this, we are closing the trade. You can see down here, close with profit of this. So let's go back. Let's enter our stop loss and take profit. So assuming I want to put my stop loss. So to get this stuff which I've used, you just have to come here, you click on it. You click on it, then you find the level at which you want to put your stop loss. So I'm going to put my stop loss here to this level of 0.98800. So I'll come, swipe aside that pencil tool, come here. It was 0.988. It was 0. Yeah, that was it. Then I say modify. So my order has been modified, meaning I've put my stop loss. So if I go to the chart, you can see my stop loss is there. Let's use. So if you want to remove this, what we'll do, you have to click back there again, so it will go. Let's use the 4-hour time frame. Then let's put our take profit. Let's put our take profit at this level here, which is 99587. So I'm going to take the last 3 digits, which is 587. So sorry about that. Come here, take profit 587, modify. So it has been modified, meaning we have our take profit and stop loss. You can see we have stop loss there, take profit here. So if you swipe in, you can see we have our stop loss here, our take profit there. So this is how we place in the trades. So assuming I have made enough money and I want to move out of the forex market, what I'll have to do is basically swipe this side, then come to this tick, then I just click on that, close with profit. If it is in profit or if it is in a loss, I close. For example, I do this, so order is closed. So it has given me, so if I want to see here, I'll come to this side here. So I have made my profit of 61 US dollars. So this is where my profit or loss will show. So that is what we do here in the forex. This is how we actually use the application.